If your gun gets wet, then rust can very quickly take hold. The ordinary way to prevent this is to let the gun dry before applying a protective oil, but even during the drying time, the beginnings of rust can occur. Pro-Ferrum is a groundbreaking new gun caring oil that performs two essential jobs at once. First, its unique wet drying properties help you remove water in moments. Second, it lubricates and protects your gun. Developed in Germany, this scientifically proven fluid is the only oil in the world that absorbs water. When sprayed on a wet surface like a barrel in the rain, Pro-Ferrum splits the water drops into very tiny droplets and encapsulates them, forming a powerful water repellent. The first spray of Pro-Ferrum acts like a moisture collector. After a few seconds, the oil and water combine to create a milky film. We give the barrel a quick wipe. Then a second spray of Pro-Ferrum creates an anti-corrosion layer which protects the metal from further attacks of humidity and results in long-lasting lubrication. Pro-Ferrum is designed to spread. The oil film it forms simply does not stop, unlike other gun oils which tend to stop spreading after a certain time. It works its way into hairline gaps, displacing water, breaking down powder residue, dissolving old unwanted oils, and neutralizing acids from fingerprints. When sprayed down the barrel, Pro-Ferrum dissolves dirt and residue for effortless cleaning with soft patches. All ingredients are gentle to skin, biodegradable, and environmentally friendly. With its unique wet drying process, lubricating properties and anti-corrosion layers, Pro-Ferrum offers gun care like no other product for any kind of weapon. With Pro-Ferrum, you need never worry about corrosion ever again.